Hello everyone, in today's video I'm sharing tutorial for this crochet heart bookmark. It's a very quick project that can be made under 10 minutes and the tutorial is going to be absolute beginner friendly as always. So let's get started and make this. To make this I'm using a 4-ply yarn and a 3mm hook. So we'll start by making a magic ring. There are different ways to make a magic ring. You can make it in any way that you are comfortable with. Now after making the magic ring, we are going to chain 3. So make 3 chains. 1, 2 and then the third one. So here we have made 3 chains and now we are going to make 3 treble crochet in this ring. So for treble crochet, yarn over twice, 1, then again yarn over. So we have done it 2 times and now insert your hook in this ring like this. Now take this working yarn, grab it, pull it out and then pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 1, 2 and 3 loops on the hook. Once again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That way we have made our first treble crochet and now we are going to make 2 more of these. So once again I'm showing it to you. For the next treble crochet, yarn over twice, 1 and 2. Now insert your hook in this ring. Grab this yarn, pull it out like this, pull up a loop and you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. You have 3 loops on the hook. Now again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. And lastly again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So this way we have made our second treble crochet and in the same way we are going to make the third one. So yarn over twice. Now after making 3 treble crochet, we are going to make 3 double crochet in this ring. So for the double crochet, yarn over, we'll do it only once. Now insert your hook in this ring, grab the yarn, now pull up a loop and you have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That way we have made our first double crochet and in the same way we are going to make 2 more of these. So again yarn over, insert your hook in this ring, grab the yarn, now pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So our second double crochet is done. Now we are going to make the third one in the same way. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again pull through 2 loops. So here we have made 3 double crochet and now we will make 1 chain. So this way we have completed one side of the heart and now we are going to make the other half. So after making 1 chain, again we are going to make 3 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in the ring, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So this was the first double crochet. We need to make 2 more of these. So this is the second double crochet. And once again we are going to make the third double crochet. Now after making 3 double crochets, again we are going to make 3 treble crochets. So for treble crochet, yarn over twice. Now insert your hook in the ring, Grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 loops. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we'll make the second treble crochet. So again yarn over twice, insert your hook in the ring, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, again pull through 2 loops, and then again pull through 2 loops. Now the last treble crochet. So again yarn over twice, insert your hook in the ring, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This way we have made 3 treble crochet, and now we are going to make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. After making 3 chains, we are going to make a slip stitch into this ring. So insert your hook in the ring like this. Grab your working yarn, pull it out and pull this out from this loop. Now chain 1 and then cut the yarn, leaving a little tail to weave it in. Now pull it out and you see we have 2 yarn tails. Now hold this magic ring tail and pull it tightly to give it the shape of heart. And there you have a tiny little heart. Now we'll hide these yarn tails into the stitches. So we have these 2 tails, one the magic ring one at the back side and one which we just cut off in the center. So firstly yarn your needle and then insert it into the next stitch. The stitch beside it, insert your needle in that and bring the yarn tail to the back side. So at the back side, pull this magic ring tail as tight as possible and then make 2 to 3 knots with these 2 yarn tails to secure it nice and tight. And then weave the extra tail into the stitches. Now cut the yarn and then we are going to do the same with the other yarn tail. So yarn your needle and then hide it into the stitches. Now we are going to make chains for the bookmark. So we are going to insert the hook in the chain 1 space that we made earlier. After 3 double crochet we made the 1 chain and then again made 3 double crochet. So we have to insert the hook in that. But if you are unable to find that stitch, then just insert your hook in the center stitch, the pointed part of the heart. Then grab your yarn, put it on hook like this and pull this out through the stitch. So we have joined the new yarn and now I'm going to make 40 chains for the bookmark. If you want a longer or shorter bookmark, then you can change the number of chain according to your preference. For me, I'm chaining 40 chains. So keep chaining until you have the desired length for the bookmark. So I have made 40 chains and this is the length. Now we are going to cut the yarn, pull it out and tighten it like this. Now we are going to weave these yarn tails. So yarn your needle, insert it into the stitch, and firstly we are going to make a knot. So bring it out like this and leave a little loop In this loop, insert your needle and pull it tightly. So we have made one knot, and now we can hide it into the stitches and then cut the yarn. Now for this yarn tail, we are going to firstly yarn the needle and then hide it into the back side of the chain. Now cut the yarn. Now you can use it as it is, like a bookmark, but I want to add a little tassel at the end. So let me show you how you can do that. For the tassels, cut a few yarn strands in the length approx 6 to 7 inches. I have cut 4 of these. In the last chain, insert your hook like this. Now take 2 strands, put it on the hook and then bring it out through this chain. Now leave it as it is. Again insert your hook in the same chain, put another 2 strands and then pull it out. Now you see we have total 4 loops like this. And now take all these yarn tails through this loop to the other side to make a knot. Tighten it. And now hold all the strands together and then cut it to make it even. So our heart bookmark is ready to use. I hope this was easy to follow. If you try making this, then tag me. My Instagram handle is mentioned below in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and comment down if you have any queries or suggestions, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.